Hey there, accounting pros and tech enthusiasts. Today we're exploring Floqast, a cloud-based platform that's redefining how accounting teams manage their month-end close. From automation to collaboration, Floqast packs a punch with features designed to simplify complex workflows. The platform's reconciliation tool is a standout, automatically matching transactions and flagging discrepancies, saving hours of manual work. It also offers seamless integration with ERPs, ensuring walled garden data flows smoothly between systems. The task management feature is another win, providing transparency and accountability across teams. On the flip side, some users note that the interface, while clean, could use more customization options, and the pricing model may not be accessible for very small businesses. That said, Floqast's customer support is top-notch, and their regular updates show a commitment to continuous improvement. For growing companies or those with heavy outsourcing, people who have used Floqast generally praise it for its ability to streamline and automate accounting workflows, particularly for month-end close processes. Many users highlight how it reduces manual tasks, improves accuracy, and provides real-time visibility into financial operations, making collaboration across teams much smoother. The integration with major ERP systems like NetSuite, QuickBooks, and Sage Intacct is frequently mentioned as a major advantage, eliminating repetitive data entry. Accounting workloads, Floqast could be a game-changer, boosting efficiency and reducing errors. If you're ready to take your accounting processes to the next level, this platform deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment below if you've tried Floqast or have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time.